HVAC people!
Alright, so I'm getting ready to change the ECM motor out. And going back with a rescue ECM motor because Lenny say they back ordered for about 2 months on this. Better slide it out. I'm gonna say, you got the barcode scanner on your phone?
Yeah, I got one.
I thought that was a 380. 516. Oh, see, can you scan that thing and just see what that video? Should be good, but I'm trying to see how they talking about 70.
I'm at the bottom.
Right there.
I'm at the bottom. I got it.
Yeah.
I'm at the bottom.
We have to flip it and make sure we got what we want.
I got my hand out the way. I was trying to grab it for you, so tie that screw back in. You got it? car loads wrong.
Alright, if you look on the last bay back there, I got a nitrogen bar. Well,
Clean it off.
yeah, I think I got a blue brush somewhere.
You got that paper towel.
I got a blue brush.
You got it? You got one on that side. Blue brush.
Time being, we just hit it with some light. Look on that last door.
Yeah.
Spray it up there on the ground. Nice would be hot too. For a refill, 20 bucks.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, so the SD on my other camera went out, so I'm gonna complete this video by just showing that we got the newest ECM motor installed. So we went with a generic rescue motor because Lennox said that this one was out of stock. They don't have any in the country, so it'll be almost 2 months before we can even get one. And then they actually told me I need to call back and just check on it periodically, so that they have a back order. So they can't even promise us that they will have it in 2 months. So this is a Saturday, called Supply House before they close at 12 o'clock. And we got the system up and running. All we had to do was add this adapter to it. I got my and I have horsepower on here. There's a 1 horsepower that I took out. And it is a universal motor. And I got my cooling set to about 50. But I'm also looking at a manual because I need to know exactly what rotation they want me to have on my cooling and my heater. But it come at 50%. But like I said, I have to look at the manual and know exactly where I need to set this, what the factory wanted set at. Look like somebody got on here blower set for 1600 CFM. So I can look through the instruction manual on here and see exactly what 1600 CFM supposed to be. So, like I said, I think we're good on this. They got a clockwise button on here. And this motor can be either for 240 or 208 or 115 also. It's a gas system, so we got it set for 115. And all right, everything's smooth. So he want me to check the cooling on both units. So that's what we're about to do now. But everything else looks pretty good. All right, thanks for watching. Also, real quick, if you ever install one of these on this little module right here on the side, it has a little toggle switch. One is for the clockwise, one is for the counterclockwise. I think the top one is for the power, and it has /24 volts.
I had got a call back the next day because the guy told me that the blower motor ran continuously. Even if he turned the unit off, the condenser was satisfied when it reached set point, but the blower motor would keep running. I had to come all the way back, and I had that switch set to power. So you got to switch it to 24. So when the fan comes on, or if you have your fan in auto and call for cool or call for the fan, it'll turn the blower on. All right, thanks. All right, as you can see on here, Y1 and Y2, W1, W2, and HP. Y1 and Y2, it comes as nominal. I think it's like a standard CFM, but you can decrease and increase the CFM or the fan speed by 30%. So even W1, W2, if you need to increase or decrease in heat mode, you can do it by 30% clockwise up to 30% and counterclockwise to decrease by 30%. Your horsepower, just like any other universal motor, you can just get a little small screwdriver and change it. That was a 1 horsepower motor that I changed out, so I used my little small screwdriver and went to the half horsepower. If you had a half horsepower, you'll go to the left or counterclockwise and set it to a half horsepower. So if you're ever in a bind, I really encourage you to get one of these rescue motors. That was a 16 pin, and it's quick, easy install. It'll get you out of bind.